I am doing a vlog. And I already filmed this intro, and then I was like, nah, I'm not gonna upload this. And I was like, maybe I will. But if it gets deleted again, then it gets deleted again. But if it gets put on YouTube, hey babies. Today I am doing a vlog. I am doing a Thanksgiving break vlog. Your girl is on Thanksgiving break, and I'm going to my mom's house for the weekend. And I just got back from shopping, like a little bit of shopping. I didn't do a lot of shopping. I just got one thing for myself, one thing for my boyfriend, and 2 things for my sister for Christmas. And we went out to eat. I have a few Snapchat clips that I might put in here, but yeah, right now I'm about to film what I got for my 15th birthday haul, and then I'm gonna probably edit a little bit and wrap some Christmas presents because I have to ship some of them out within the next couple of days, so I want to get them wrapped. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I hope y'all enjoy this vlog. It's kind of different for me because I don't really vlog very often, but I thought y'all might enjoy it and it'd be kind of different for my channel. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I need to go film and text my boyfriend before he goes to work. So yeah, I love y'all so much, and let's get into this.
8 buses yesterday.
Just attractive. Plastic cup. Okay, I just got back from my grandma's house. Hopefully you can hear me over the vent. I'm about to take my shower. But like, look at my natural hair, guys. Like, look how curly and frizzy it is. I want to cut my hair, and if I cut it, it'll be so much curlier. Like, just look at these curls. Like, it's so curly in the back. I just want to cut my hair. But yeah, I thought I'd update you guys. We went to my grandma's house to see my mom and to help prepare for Thanksgiving. Now I am gonna shower, and yeah, that's it. So yeah. Hey! Stop!
Here you go, honey. Christmas music for you.
It's going on YouTube.
That one's changing all the words.
Inappropriate one?
I want some eggnog. Has rum in it.
Voices singing, let's be jolly. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, rocking around the Christmas tree. With happy. Stop!
looks good.
Perfection.
Yummo.
You better send that to me too. You better
Stay home in bed this year.
Oh, come now. If Santa stayed home, why, there'd be no Christmas.
Who cares? Nobody cares about Christmas anymore. They don't.
So we made Chex Mix, and I showed you all earlier the pretzels. And we have puppy chow and more Chex Mix. And I'm gonna definitely update y'all in a little while of like things that are actually going on. We've been so busy, so yeah. Okay guys, I know I look horrid, but this video has been very all over the place. So I guess I'm gonna describe a little bit of like what actually happened in this video. Sorry, I have leftover like mascara on. I look awful. Don't look at me. But you guys know what happened on Wednesday. Thursday was Thanksgiving, so I only have like 2 tiny clips from Thanksgiving. And then on Friday, well, Thursday night I drove to my mom's house, and then on Friday I went and got my boyfriend's Christmas gifts, and then we went and got a Christmas tree. So there's clips of that, and then me and my mom cooked and baked. So we made like Chex Mix and puppy chow and pretzels and stuff like that. And then yesterday was Saturday, so yesterday I keep missing stuff. Also on Friday night, me and my brother went and saw The Grinch, and it was okay. Like, I wouldn't probably see it again, but it was okay. It was cute, I guess. It was okay. But then yesterday, we just watched football all day. I didn't record it all yesterday, so we went and watched football, and I went and shipped a package. And today, I go back to my dad's house. So, I don't think I'm gonna record anymore. This is probably the ending. This very crazy, weird video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I love y'all so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, babies.
Say, 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 hey, hey.